So you're gonna be right. You're gonna get signed. Okay. 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 Hold on. We have to wait till this fire truck passes. I thought that was your car for a second. I freaked out. I'm like, your engine is fucked, dude. I heard that siren. I'm like, what is that noise?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, where's that one?
I thought that was like a cop coming right after me for a second.
They're in.
Oh my god, those kids, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Did you see those?
Yeah, he definitely saw us. He was not happy. Dude, those freaking kids. Oh man. Oh, sorry, I ruined your photo.
Rip.
I just ruined your photo. Oh, you did it because I'm dirty. that
so
father
bad.
was not happy.
That dad was like, holy fuck. Oh no.
No. Bye.
Bye. Shit.
Because we're gonna make it. Oh man, did they turn with us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's giving me
These women are like, why does the guy have the camera out? What the?
Yep, here we have it.
Gang shit.
Oh, jeez.
License.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry.
Got light inside your vehicle.
Oh, yeah.
Just got easier. All right, so you're gonna get cited. Okay, so you're gonna get a fine. Okay, associated with this. I appreciate your honesty about going 60. That's a huge deal in the state park, right? This road, people are walking, we're biking on this. This is a multi-use trail, multi-use road. Okay, there's no one else out here on today. Could throw in there citation for traveling at safe speeds, which means other people out on the road. You know, that's not being safe and conscientious with that. Right? I'm gonna cite you for driving at 40 miles per hour, so it's 40 and a 25. Okay. That has a fine of $41. Okay.
I appreciate it a lot.
At 60 miles per hour, every 5 miles over the posted speed limit, on the base of a $35 fine is $2 for every mile above that, going above once you get on that, right? So it adds up quickly when you start getting in that, and then you start getting into other point system and all that other stuff. So you can see right here, just here, right here where that X is, that's your signature on that. To the judge's office to do that.
Oh, wow.
The judge's office is on here as far as the address. It is in Bellefonte. So if you're in State College, it is just right in Bellefonte. You just go in there, they can actually do plead guilty or not guilty. It's depending on the scope of the back side of this paperwork that I'm going to give you actually will have the instructions on what to do.
Okay. So how many points do I have now?
I don't really know what it's going to be. I don't. Is this your first citation?
Yeah.
First traffic citation.
Yeah.
Citation. Okay. Really, you don't have to worry about it. Okay. It's not going to hold that much of a penalty with it being a first offense.
Okay.
So it's going to be just I think 2 points for this particular one that I wrote you.
Okay.
Each different citations hold different points. So that value.
Okay.
You know, like I said, with you going 60. Can't just let you slide with 5 over or something like that.
Yeah,
okay?
that's true.
Like I said, I appreciate your honesty. Your honesty helps with that. So,
Thank you.
I'm gonna work with you on that as best as I can with that.
I appreciate it.
That's where we're going with this. So you're going 40 and a 25 is essentially what you're being cited for. Total comes out to $157.
Okay.
What the score cost. So let's just keep the speed down when you're visiting the park.
Right? Alright, will do.
It is 25. So like I said, with this road, everything else, it's narrow to begin with. We got people walking around. Using it for recreation. Alright?
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, guys. Take care. Have a good night.
I appreciate it.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
night, officer.
2 hours later.
Oh shit! Oh my fucking god! What?